said, we're running a little time, so your guys' presentation, elevator pitch,
He's not on the second, third floor.
the main section where you see yourself taking pictures. Those are things on there.
Yeah.
Did anyone go to the floor and tell them that it's opening ceremony? Closing, I mean. No, not just. So they were doing it. You can let me know. This floor.
that work? Does that work?
Hello? Test. Test.
Hey everybody. So just a quick note, the order of the presentations, the link is now on the Slack. So if you want to check when you're going to be presenting, we're also going to be saying like who's next and who's on call, but just in case you want to know like where you are.
Hey everyone. So, it's been an exciting past 24 hours working with all of you, seeing all of you learn, build, and create some amazing new things. So first of all, before we get started, let's hear it for yourselves. A huge round of applause for all of you. So now it's finally time for presentations. Now you get to tell us about what project you made over the past 24 hours, or tell us about what you've learned over the past 24 hours. So the way this is going to work is that we have a presentation order based on the form that you submitted earlier. And the presentation order, we have it right here. It's also in the Slack, as we mentioned earlier. So you can go ahead and check that out. And these presentations are going to be short, 1.5-minute pitches, so a minute and 30 seconds. You get to pitch your idea. Pitch what you made over the past 24 hours. And it's basically just like a quick elevator pitch, talk about what you made, what challenges you might have faced, simple stuff like that. It's really informal. We have some judges over there, and they'll be deciding who gets the prizes. But really, remember the prizes don't really matter. What it's about is how much you've been able to learn and do over the past 24 hours. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. First up, we have Team Fly, and after that, on deck, we have Team Bing Bong Boys. So with each presentation, we're going to first announce what team is presenting now, and then we'll announce the team that's on deck. So they need to come up in line, and we're going to set up the tech for them while they're waiting for the current presentation to finish. So if we can get Team Fly and Bing Bong Boys up here, please. Thank you. So can we have Team Fly up here, Team Bing Bong Boys behind the projector in the middle? So do you want to show it on your laptop? Sure, that works too. Okay, sure, that will work. Let's go ahead and put it in. Just push that in. There's a timer right over there. Okay. You guys have 30 seconds. Just it's really just talk about what you need.
Okay, so we came into CodeDay with no prior experience at all, and we had never coded before. So we decided to make a stupid hack, basically, and so we called it Pigeon Mingle, similar to Christian Mingle. Yeah, so we don't really know what we're doing. So we spent the first few hours just kind of figuring out like what coding is and how you do stuff and how to approach it. And we were like walking down the street and saw a bunch of pigeons. Like, oh, we could do something that matches you up to like a pigeon near you or something like that. And like, oh, hey, pigeon dating site. What? And then so yeah. So should we demonstrate how our site works maybe? So basically when you click, so first you see this, and then you can click either Find My Soulmate or About. There's like two. And then so when you click Find My Soulmate, it'll randomly generate a match for you, and it has like a little description. And if you don't like it, you can press Not My Type. And then you can find another soulmate, and it'll take you to someone else, and you can continue like that until you find your pigeon match. And then press About. And this is our About page. This was a
All right, huge round. That was really great. Really interesting website. So next we have Team Bing Bong Boys, and on deck will be Team Tier. So if we can get Tier behind the projector and Team Bing Bong Boys up here, please. Okay, so what do you guys have? Just plug it in.
All right, we're the Bing Bong Boys, and we're gonna show you this app, awesome game, because we couldn't find a good name for it.
So basically, we have what I worked on.
So then we got the main menu, and we got the animation experience, the earthly realm into that spiritual realm. You press play, and we got the map. This is what I did. So you have a robot, you can walk around the map. There's buildings to walk in the rain. And there's the black market right here. There's the black market for upgrades for your robot, because you're an illegal robot. And here's the newsstand, find stuff. And let's go to the gameplay. Boss level.
All right, this is the platform view. See, we have a robot, and he can move around and stuff. And he has an array of weapons. So like he has a bazooka, sax, machete, pistol, shotgun, and then we got this enemy here. Doesn't really do much. I guess the bazooka is the most powerful. So that's pretty much it. It's made with Phaser and JavaScript, web technologies. It's pretty much it.
All right, that was really cool as well. Cool. So next we have team tier, and after that on deck, team lean green machine.
Unlike virtual reality, you can stand up in AR. You can look. Unlike virtual reality, you can stand up, look at. You can play the game in your own world. All you do is look at the icon as if it was there. Then it becomes your duty to destroy the evil TIE fighters as they come out of the portal. To do that, all you do is look at the target right between them, and then you become a hero. The main problem facing augmented reality is the price. The Meta 2 costs $1,000, and the HoloLens costs a whopping $3,000. This costs nothing. All you need is a Google Cardboard. This means this low-price solution gets to market quickly and cheaply. Tear, an immersive augmented reality solution. Thank you.
That was super cool. So next we have team lean green machine, and on deck is team ambidexterity. So we can get ambidexterity behind the projector. Can we get team ambidexterity behind the projector, please?
Okay, hi guys. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna wait for it to start. I'm just gonna wait for it to start up. he be displaying? I don't need audio now. I just need video. Okay. This might just be the set. No. Okay. Is it? Okay. Hi. So I'm team. Thank you. I'm team Lean Green Machine, which is a reference to Android. The project I did was Android Studio, and I learned how to make layouts in XML, connect those layouts using Java. I made an interface for an app that's actually part of a school project for my computer science class. Unfortunately, I can't show you the app from my computer, so I'm going to use this camera. So basically, the app is called Lunchline. And it is an app that tells users where they should go for an off-campus lunch at school. So there's supposed to be suggestions on the homepage, but right now they're just placeholders. They work though. Click on one, it'll give you an overview. It's really awful. You can't see anything on the screen. But so basically, you'll push the feed me button, and then it'll ask you for how much time you have for your lunch, what's your maximum budget for your lunch, and how far you're willing to travel from school, or your medium of transportation, put those in, and then you press let's go, and then it'll give you a list of cards with several restaurants that match your quota most precisely, and then you'll be able to press the button and just get quick Google Maps directions to that restaurant from your location. And that's basically it.
Great job. Next we have team ambidexterity. And on deck is team stars. Behind the projector, please.
Hi everyone. Oh, okay. Hi everyone. So I'm team ambidexterity, and for this hackathon I decided to try something new. I also built an Android app using Android Studio. As we know, ambidexterity is like the ability to use both hands to equally adept in an equally adept manner. Sometimes being able to write with your left hand and maybe even simultaneously. And I decided to build an app that allows you to either assess or maybe even train ambidexterity. This app right now is just like a square that moves around the screen and lights up. And your goal is to click on it while it's green and lit. If you click outside the square or while it's gray, then the game automatically terminates. But It'll first allow you to start with your right hand and your right hand, and it'll assess your accuracy. But after you mess up, it'll let you revert to the other hand, and then it'll try to see how many you can make in the other hand. So throughout this weekend, I learned a lot of different things. First, I learned how to use Android Studio, and even that was a challenge in itself. Like I spent the first hour just slowly downloading Studio, and then I also learned how to use basic XML. Thank you.
Okay. Next we have Team Stars, and on deck is Team WAG. Could we get Team WAG on deck? Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so I came into CodeDay with no prior any coding whatsoever, and I thought I was just gonna come to like recuperate from the stress of high school. But then well, I was doing that, and then I was like, hey, I have some time. I start something. And I tried doing like regular coding, and that didn't really work because I'm not that good. So then I'm like, okay, I'll take a 30-minute nap. And I woke up at around 9. And okay. So I came to Scratch, which is like dropping drag fake coding, and kind of just made like a Super Mario Brothers game. Except I don't really know how it works. So all I got it to do was move right, like that. That's it. But yeah. That's all I have. But I learned that coding is actually way harder than it looks. But I tried Scratch. So it's pretty cool. That's about it.
Okay, next we have Team WAG, and on deck is Team Hack Hype. Can we get Team Hack Hype on deck? Hey guys, please remember. People worked very hard on what they created. So it'd be nice if you show them respect by being quiet during your presentation. Thank you.
Basically, I have like no experience sitting there, seeing all these amazing stuff, and I look at my thing, and I don't think I'm going to be making any money. I'm going to say, I use a tool I never used before. It's kind of like Scratch, but there's more variables, kind of like halfway in between two, and I made a top-down shooter featuring work and some monsters. Basically, there's four enemies, and you just have to survive as long as possible. Basically click to shoot, and the score goes by seconds. There's these fast enemies, bats, and long range demon enemies, goblins, and
Yeah, I designed all the graphics myself. Yeah, it's pretty basic, but it's fun. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. So next is Team Hack Hype, and on deck is Team Utah. So could we get Team Utah behind the projector?
Okay, hi everyone. My name is David Katz, and I build Hack Hype. High schoolers, college students, and really all hackers have so much to learn and explore. While this amount of new material can be very exciting, it can also be very daunting. So when I'm learning, sometimes I just want a quick reminder of how I can code, or sometimes I want a breather, or to laugh debugging away, or sometimes I want to meet people and mentors, get in-person advice, and really improve. So I decided to build an online mobile application that gets you hyped to hack. It tells you tips, it tells you jokes, it tells you where to go to meet new people. So now I'm going to introduce Hack Hype. So we got it over here. Here we got a tips page. You can post tips over here. So ask for help. It'll post that to Firebase there. You can favorite them. And then these will update according to which ones are the most popular. We also have a jokes page over there. So that first one up there is today's winner of hide and seek is the semicolon. And then here on the bottom we got a hip array. So we got one of those. And there's some other ones. Just post something popular. People will like it. So you can search your city here to find events and local upcoming coding hackathons. So of course we got San Francisco here. And what this one does is it pulls up the Eventbrite API and gives you a list over there. You can click on these links and it'll pull up the Eventbrite page. Just give you some info if you want to register for an event that you like. And you can pick any city that you like. You don't really have to be specific about spelling or anything. And that's Hack Hype for you. We also got future plans, so I plan to incorporate more APIs, a Meetups API, the Google Calendar API, and then I also see this as a place where you can really learn and explore new environments. Maybe you want to do app development, game development. This will be a place where you can find a lot of resources. And of course, I want to release it to the App Store. So thank you, and I hope you got hyped to hack.
Okay, next up we have Team Utah, and on deck is Team Reed.
Hey, what's up, guys? For this CodeDay, we built a YouTube clone, and basically just to summarize it in one sentence. It's like YouTube, but then you don't have to keep refreshing after you search. So if you press search CodeDay. So it just gives you a bunch of videos on the fly. We just use a very simple Google API. Our main focus was just to learn the React framework. And I think this was a great project. Good starter to learn and start using React. So yeah, that's it. That's it. Thank you.
So next we have team Reed, and on deck is team Apollo 1.
Mike, remember hold it close to your mouth. Timer's over there. Timer's over there.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Well, hi, my name is Sophia, and I'm basically totally brand new to coding, so I just followed along with what the email said, and downloaded Construct 2, and I followed some tutorials, and then I started working on my own game. It's very basic, doesn't really do much, you kind of jump around, get to the goal. You can shoot your wrenches, and also I added like a charge ship that just goes in random directions, and you're basically fighting leprechauns to get to the gold at the end. And that's about it. Thank you very much.
Great job. So next is team Apollo 1, and on deck is team ACC. So can we get team ACC on deck?
Mike, remember to hold it close to your mouth. You can clearly start to hear you.
Okay, hello everyone. My name's Antonio. I'm from Team Apollo 1. And what I did was I wanted to recreate the game Kerbal Space Program. So I spent the big portion of the time making a scale model of the solar system, which actually orbits and is distance to actual scaling of our solar system. So we could go into like say Jupiter, just follow Jupiter's path around. And I also created rocket ships. Well, I created one rocket ship. I didn't get to really color it, but I made a rocket ship that the character would use, or like one of the default ones the character could use. But then there's also like the aspect of the character creating its own. So I was going to make parts that they could put together. But I kind of didn't save, crashed, so I lost all that. But that's basically it. Thank you.
So that was team Apollo. Apollo 1, and next is team ACC, and next is team ACC. On deck is team Snackers. Here's the mic. Make sure you hold it close to your mouth. Speak loud. Hold it close to your mouth. Speak loud and clear. So
So we're Team ACC, and two of which we've never met before. This is Vlad, and this is Lynn. So basically, a genesis corpus callosum is when the brain doesn't like communicate with each other. This is a game based on the board game Risk. If you guys have never played it, Risk is basically a bunch of like nations. You have to try to conquer each other and unify the map. And we did this with the brain. And we did this with the brain. So there's like four lobes of the brain: frontal, occipital, temporal, and parietal. So each lobe of the brain has little territories, and you can only fight the territory that's adjacent to yourself, and you can answer questions by like basically how you fight each other is by answering questions from the AP Psych exam. It's a good review. So you can only fight each other if you guys have minions on the territory. So we faced a lot of conflicts because we did not have a debugger for some reason. So it was amazing that we even had clean code until this morning when we just kind of rushed everything and gave up. Tried to make it look nice. Yeah. So there you go. It kind of functions. It does. It has most of what we envisioned it to be. Except the fact that it kind of needs a little more work. But then it does have nice visuals. Because you can draw. Well, at the beginning at least. Yes. Like the main menu looks really nice. Yeah, so. That's it. Thank you.
Good job, guys. Okay, so next is Team Snackers, and on deck is Team Ryan Mustafa. Same place.
Hi everyone, I'm Simran. I'm Stephanie. And so our project was on Java and graphics. So are familiar with Java, and we decided that we could use this time to kind of explore graphics more in depth. We just started with a simple game. Unfortunately, with the lack of time, we have that haven't been merged together yet. But here is the start. We're also in a race against time because both laptops are dying. But so basically, what it does is it just moves through this entire setting. And on my laptop, which we can switch through, I guess, we have different obstacles. So we have junk food, and we have healthy food. And if you hit the junk food, you lose points. Or if you hit the healthy food, you'd gain points. And that's basically it. Yeah, thank you.
So that was Team Snackers. On deck. Next is Team Ryan Mustafa. And on deck is Team Soylent Soldiers. That's our program. There we go. Okay. All right. So we were thinking be more productive. We could use the time that it would take to make one program to make three different programs. So we did three different programs on three different laptops to be productive. So we made a series of games in a software that has thousands of them, and it's like 15 games. So basically we chose our three favorites. This one you're the mouse, and you have to collect the black dots before you get hit by the red dots. And every 1,000 points appear in the score, an additional 12 red dots come. It does look easy, but once you cross around 12,000 points, it gets extremely difficult.
This is second game. It's called Moonlander. He'll show you how. So the goal is to try and land rocket safely onto the platform. So as you can see, if he does it slow enough, he can finish it, and he can finish it. And he'll show the time you do it. Each time you want to try getting a better score. And if you fall too fast, you'll end up crashing. And you won't get a score at all.
Okay, so next up is Team Soldiers. And on deck is Team Out. Close to your mouth and make sure you enunciate loudly, speak clearly, loudly. Okay. You guys do need to switch the laptop.
Hey guys, this is our first CodeDay, and I came with from my high school. We made this game called Phrase Fight, where play against an opponent online, and you type phrases, and you try to defeat the other person. Here, someone type. Alright. Yet.
So you see the words displayed on the bottom. If you type the words and you get basically points in those points, and when you type the phrase correctly, you get points into pool. And if you select the hockey from the above, you see there's a blue manifold here. There's a blue manifold here. Click a button or click a hockey button or click a hockey. One of these little guys. Right?
And pretends there's sound effects because we ran out of time. thanks for listening. Thanks for listening.
That was Team Soylent Soldiers. Next is Team Out. Next is Team Out. Soylent. And on deck is Team Soylent.
Take risks than throw around your several hundred dollar gadget right here. So I made a cool app which you can actually count and score yourself and how well you can throw your phone. So it takes into how expensive my phone is. So my phone is $249 new to 5S, right? If I had a 6S, maybe I get more points, it's worth a bit more, right? And then you get points for your airtime. You get for landing face down on the screen. And then you get points for the total vertical distance. And so basically, if it detects fast enough shift in velocity, think that the screen might crack, it'll link you to the Apple's repair store. So yeah. I can't. All right. I can't actually do it. So I'm gonna drop it on pillow. You'll see what happens. So I got 16.51 points from dropping it. And then so if I were to drop it face down, this should see. All right, it didn't work, but you get the idea. You can have high scores, and you can have sharing with your friends. So competitive risk taking. So yeah. All right. And we also built another game. This one's more conventional. I think.
So we built a game called UC. You eat because you see because you eat and you eat because you eat. But it's not a normal game because you have a blue screen. And what you do it's on the other side. It'll come up on this one in a second. You may eat plants. Or kill and devour living things. And it gives you controls. I can shoot these and eat them. But this thing here, my morality, how good of a person I'm being, starts to fall if I do that. So we're gonna see if I can get a green guy to come out in a second. And he will raise my morality. So this game has three different paths and ways depending on how high your morality is. By the time you're done with the game. And it becomes a struggle because as you can see, there aren't very many green ones. So being a good person is a little bit hard. There's one. He's a super buff onion. He's great. So if I eat this guy, my morality will flip back up again. And because the Wi-Fi is slow, it took a second to run the image. But you can collect points. If you run into these enemies, you lose points. On the bottom, level up, get to the end, figure out what the endings are. We have our custom URL, so you can go to that if you want to play it. And that's about it. Thank you very much.
Okay. So that was team out. Next is team Soylent. And on deck is team in time.
All right. All right, hey guys. First of all, I thought we were original. I guess not. That sucks. Anyways, we made a game on studio, and we kind of came here with no prior knowledge. Many of you guys. So. Okay. Thank you. No prior knowledge, but we did have the internet, which is a very nice resource for learning. And as you can see, this is just some example code. Right here we have the left, right. I'm just running technical. This determine like what keys were pressed and what to do after the keys were pressed. And there's some collision physics right here. Some other physics incorporating the game. And here we will start. That's not good. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me restart this. First of all.
So we wanted to create our own art. So we used an online software to create individual sprites by hand. And we didn't want to use template art and we wanted to create our own art. So this took up a lot of time, like a frustrating amount of time. One of our greatest difficulties, other than the actual coding, is accidentally deleting completed sprites twice. So yeah.
Our character, we haven't really come up for a name for him now. But as you can see, we have made up a model. This is an idle animation. Basically, whenever he's not moving, here's his walking. He has and the worst part about this is that we were making it back. The worst part about this is we ran out of time. We couldn't put any enemies in. And he's supposed to swing. Well, just digs him into the floor. So this is Shovel Knight 2. If you play that game first, okay? So thank you. We have a lot of bugs to fix. Sorry about that.
No problem. Great job. So that was Team Soylent. Next is Team in Time. And on deck is Team Death to AVDs.
Hi. So we don't have any screen here. We don't have a screen here, but we can just tell you what it is. So don't really have much prior coding experience between the two of us, but we have created software for the Amazon Echo Dot, which is basically a voice assistant which can do personal assistant, lots of different things. Like for example, it can play music. It can play music. Alexa, play playlist 1. Play playlist 1. Alexa, stop. It can do lots of different things like that to help you out, but one thing it can't do is say you're going on a road trip and you want to know how long it takes to get from point to point and you don't know how long it'll take. It can't do that, but we've created a software that can do that. So, Alexa, run in time. Run in time.
Welcome to In Time. Welcome to In Time. The skill that calculates travel time between city are you in now? City are
I'm in Mountain View. I'm in Mountain View.
You are currently in Mountain View. You are currently in Mountain View. Where are you headed?
I'm headed to Walnut Creek. I'm headed to Walnut Creek.
You are headed to Walnut Creek. You are headed to Walnut Creek. It is 50.0 miles away. And it will take 57 minutes to get there by car. Safe travels.
And now my partner Hima will explain how the actual technical.
So basically, you have to run everything. Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. The first step is you have to define your intent. So an intent is something like set home or set destination. And then what you go is you just. So once you set your home, you do stuff. Once you set your home, you do set your destination. And then once you set your destination, and then that contacts the Google Maps. So that's how it works. That's it.
So that was Team In Time. Next is Team Debts to AVDs. And on deck is Team Math for Me.
All right. Hi, everybody. We are deaf to AVDs because 2 hours our AVDs crashed and we had to switch to another app entirely. Basically, what we spent our 2 days doing was learning Android Studio, SQL because we are novices to both. Basically, what we did was we built a Word app that lets you study from multiple tests. So, for example, there are many vocab words that are kind of like say Abbott, which now you know. Which now you know means the superior of a community. So whenever you have time, whenever you have your phone on, load this app up and look at the multiple definitions that we've loaded onto this app and learn them for say the ACT or any other test that you're studying. Another feature that we built was the notes. But to see that, we're gonna have to go to a different computer.
All right, so for the second part of our app, it's basically a note-taking function, take notes of any vocab words that are particularly difficult for you to remember. The features on this note-taking app are the add feature where you can add new notes, the reminder feature where you can write reminders to yourself, and the camera feature where you can turn on the camera. So for example, if I wanted to make a new note, I would type in a title, then I would save it, and then I would either Google Drive, Dropbox, or the internal device. Now to see our second app, here's Jay.
So yeah, as my partner mentioned, our AVD broke yesterday, so we decided to make another application. And here it is. It's called Spiky Situation. So you just press new game. You basically just select your level. Since everyone seems to be really interested in this blind yet, I'm just gonna show you that one. So basically, you have a player that can move around from side to side. You have a health bar there, and you're supposed to dodge these spikes that are falling from the random generator. And if you reach zero, then it says you die.
So that was Team Death to AVDs. Next is Team Math for me. And on deck is Team Camelo Squad.
All right, so we worked on a math puzzle game. It's a multiplayer online. So it's nothing crazy. You just have to know basic arithmetic, but it's pretty fun. Pretty fun. We're gonna create a game here. And then if you guys want, you can go on your phones or your laptop with this URL right here.
Going on a phone or most devices.
All right, so we can. No one's joined. m4m.ng.io/1. Anyone connect? Is it? It's not working. Is it slash? It's /2. Yeah, okay, /2. All right. Let's just start the game. Okay, so we're just gonna start. Because we don't have time. So. All right. It's not working.
So this is what the game looks like. We have a whole bunch, and then we can start the game. And then it's supposed to be multiplayer, but basically the goal is we're supposed to get. And if I don't embarrass myself, I can probably do it. Let's see. 2 plus 4 times 8 times 8. That's 48.
So you have a certain number of numbers, operations that you can use, and you try to get to a certain number. All the problems are randomly generated. And then at the end it shows you what the possible answer to the problem is.
Maybe I'll try to do one correctly this time. So this is just a quick math problem. It's supposed to be way cooler. Connecting, but I guess the internet isn't working as perfectly as we want.
Yeah, so we have a leaderboard. All the numbers, and you have to use all the numbers. That's math for me.
So that was Team Math for me. Next is Team Camelo Squad, and on deck is Team Class Loop. Can we get Team Camelo Squad?
We made an iPhone app called Pomelo. It's a card game. And
So you start off with a couple of cards. You have three races. You have orcs, unicorns, and humans. Unicorns and humans. The humans beat the brutes. The brutes beat the unicorns. The brutes beat the unicorns. Beat the humans. Unicorns beat the humans. And each time you beat the race, then you will get a point. And you can also have elements. You have water elements. You have water, fire. Water beats fire. Fire beats fire. Fire beats earth. And earth beats. And if you win the battle against the element, then you get to keep your card. Otherwise, if you lose, you discard. If you lose, you discard. So that card gets shuffled back. The first person to either get 10 points, or if the person discards their entire hand, then they lose.
So basically, started with the initial card game. So you have like levels, but then we realized that was kind of boring. We incorporated like a storyline and like a lot of mini Easter eggs. Problem is I can't really show those because you have to like a lot of levels, and I think I made it a little bit too hard.
And I also had never really seen a program like Construct before. So I made a little project while Cholo was sleeping. It's just the top-down shooter that I spent a little bit of time on.
So that was Team Camelo Squad. Loop. Next is Team and on deck is Team Quio. And on deck is Team Quio.
Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Jabe. This is Hashira, and this is Mira. So can I raise your hand if you've ever used School Loop or heard of School Loop? Yes. Okay. So we created Google Chrome extension for school. So it's called Class Average. It's short for Class Average Loop. So here's a page for this extension. The feature is that if you download this extension, you can it allows student users to see class grade averages for a particular assignment for a particular class. Okay, so here if we go to School Loop's interface, here shows the progress report for a class. So if we click on this button, get average. In theory, there will be a pop-up window that shows the class average for that assignment. Unfortunately, we could not have it actually show the class average. That would need authorization from the website. Okay, so these were the basic conditions for our app. It was basically like you will run your username through a hashing device, which okay. There. Okay. Huzzah. Yeah. Okay. So you run your username through a hashing device, and this gives you basically an anonymous ID. So nobody will be able to tell what your grade is. You will see others' grades, but you won't be able to tell who received what grade. So thank you.
So that was team class loop. Next is team Quio. Finally is Maga. On deck is team Maga.
You need the adapter. Whoever's speaking, remember to hold the mic close to your mouth. Speak louder. And speak louder. Down over there. Just bring up here on the screen. Good luck. Thanks. Good luck. Rip. Wait, we shouldn't talk about the programming because we only just do the buttons. Okay. Should we just like scroll through the team? Roll.
Okay. Hi. So we are Quio. We made an education app. Look at our team. This is our team. We don't have to introduce ourselves. So Quio. Quio is like an application for students where you have like a teacher basically creates a set of questions for you for your class. And so then the class goes on their own computer and cooperates and competes against each other and tries to get the correct answer and like the most. So like this is the teacher control panel and like we have different questions. So I could like edit this and make this answer 65. So let's just say that's okay. And let's go back now to the main page and we'll show you the actual. So like we have teacher's name as the code and there are different questions. So you could have like, does anyone know what the answer to this is? Could you shout it out? 33. Wow. Okay. 33. Awesome. Wow. Okay. So we got it correct. Awesome. So we got it correct. Let's go to the next question. Whoops, I got it wrong. So you get points for getting them right. You have different types of inputs. You could have like multiple choice, or you could have like multiple choice, or you could have like fill in the blank or whatever. It's really fun and competitive. If you have like an entire class competing together. Thank you.
All right, so that was team Quio, and finally we have team Maga.
Okay, got it. Thanks. What happens after this? Okay, there we go. Okay. Hi guys. Okay. So we kind of broke away from the making an and we decided to make a Facebook app extension, in the vein of like the Be Like Bill meme or what celebrity look like, except this Facebook app extension is actually very useful because it helps you kind of realize your identity, how you behave. So our app is kind of built on a few basic principles. Your Facebook friends and your Facebook friends are very accurate depiction of your real life because everyone's favorite social media platform. Stock photos are like the best photos usually the most use because they're usually the most expensive. And also, throwing around the word racism and calling everyone racist usually makes you a better person. So we're going to do a little bit of a demonstration. Yeah. Are you going to log in?
That's me. So as you see, I am apparently racist because I have a lot of Asian friends. I have a lot of Asian friends in my friend group, and I don't have enough diversity in my friend group. And that's kind of a bad thing. So as you can see here, this is like the demographics of your friend group, and this is the actual interactions. So like other people tagging you in photos, or like you being liked.
Yeah. And mine is much better. Can you show them? So I am not a racist. Do secretly have a bias. And that has changed. How I act. Today I'm wearing a white shirt to show everyone that I'm working towards my biases.
Thank you.
All right, so that. Good job, everyone. All those projects were really great. And it was really cool seeing all of them. Huge round of applause for yourselves again. So now what's going to happen is the judges are going to move into a separate room to deliberate who they believe deserves the prizes that are given out. And please remain seated. And within around 10 or 15 minutes, the judges will be back with their decisions.